Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week we're going to be planning the last week in November, which actually falls in the December month in the Erin Condren LifePlanner this year, which I don't know that I totally agree with them doing that, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I hope you'll stick around and watch this video with me. So this week I'm planning with a kit from Two Lil Bees. This is, I think, her So Thankful or something kit, I think it was called. It's a foiled kit and it's got like a rose gold foil on it. It's very pretty. These are all the full boxes here. Then we've got a sheet of functional stickers here, which I know I will definitely be making use of. And then we've got some date covers, some washi strips, some washi for the kit that we can use, and that's it. So it's only 3 pages. It's much smaller than the last few kits that I've used, but I anticipate I'll probably use up most of what I have here. I do have my list off to the side of things that I will need to keep track of. I unfortunately do not have whiteout. I ran out of some and I was getting ready to use a spare that I happened to find in my storage closet, and as soon as I started to use it, it did that thing where the roll got all messed up, and when I opened it to try and fix it, the whole thing fell apart. So this is going to be an interesting video for me since I can't white anything out. So I might have to go back later when I do have whiteout and white out like at least these. This I can at least cover with the full box sticker, and I'll pick one of the ones here to cover it with. But yeah, I was pretty bummed when I realized I didn't have whiteout for this video. So with that, let's go ahead and get started with the date covers. Okay, those are down. Let me think about which sticker I want to put to cover here. I think I'll do this. Which I don't love that I can see the kaleidoscope behind it, but I don't know that I have much choice since I don't have any whiteout. I don't know that it's very different from how it was before, but alas, we're gonna move on. There's no meal plan sticker in this kit, so I will make the weekly sticker my meal plan. So I'm doing my productivity habit tracker a little bit different this week since I don't have a sticker that could work for like a top 3. I just wrote it in, which seems so analog somehow. I was thinking chicken sliders, but I forgot we'll have plenty of leftovers for Thanksgiving, so I'm just gonna swap those two, and so that'll be our meal plan for the week. Monday, I have a doctor's appointment in the morning. I'm gonna use this one because I need to break up some of the pink. It's a little pink heavy in here right now. And so here I'm just putting my prep for the day that I need to be mindful of. I need to remember we have a donation pickup schedule. I have a donation pickup scheduled that day that I can't forget about. So that'll be Wednesday. Thursday I'm doing something a little, I don't want to say crazy, a little unusual, but I hope that it'll be worth it. I am actually going to an early morning workout. I have a friend who helps run a gym, and so they are having like a special Thanksgiving workout that day, and so I will be going to that, and hopefully it'll help. My hope is that it's gonna keep me in check on Thanksgiving Day, that I, don't overdo it. I'm happy to indulge and enjoy the holiday. I'm definitely not going to be depriving myself, but also reminding myself that I don't need to go bananas. I will be missing the beginning of the parade, which I'm a little bummed about for the workout, but I feel like that is okay. It'll be worth it. We are starting dinner early that day. We're starting dinner at 2, so I need to put that here. On TV for Black Friday, it looks like the Frosty the Snowman is going to be on, so I want to be able to watch that. And I thought I had some Christmas, but maybe it's from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. I might do the green for that one. Sunday, my son and I are going to my husband's friend's birthday dinner. My husband can't come at the time the dinner starts because he's working, so my son and I are gonna go without him ahead, and then depending on what time we're hanging out until my husband gets off, probably like midway or just about when we'd be wrapping up dinner, he might come through to hang out. Okay, all the major things are in. I do have a few things I want to put in here, like my plan with me publish date. Trying to figure out a place with these little stickers. Maybe I'll hold off on this. I should put my full boxes in and then go from there. Wait, crap! What was I thinking? I think I was looking at that sticker thinking, oh, that would be really good on another day, and then pulled it instead of the one I should have pulled. Lord have mercy. Alright, so I managed to use all of the full boxes, which is awesome. And do I have other things? I need to put my husband's schedule in here, but I don't know how I want to do that yet. Maybe I'll cover these up. So I think I might move this sticker up because I realize now I basically don't have any place for bottom washi. And really it's not a big deal if that's covering the 8 o'clock hour instead of not starting at it. So, she does have washi in her kit, so I may use it. That looks okay to me. Curious what this would look like. Nope. I don't know why it kind of bothers me when there's like an empty time like right above where the full box is. So I feel like that's, with these little washi strips, a convenient way to cover them up when it's just kind of like a floating time. This sticker is kind of bothering me. I feel like there's too much black or something. Let me see if I can. Alright, so paper was mostly unharmed through that. One thing I should put on here is that I'm gonna do shopping at some point over the weekend to... Wow, I really like used up a lot of the functional stickers, which is good. Just wasn't totally aware that I was using up all the functional stickers as I was going along. I'm gonna figure out a way to get these other stickers used. I think part of the problem is I moved, like this one should not be so far off, but I don't know if I can adjust it at this point. Kind of bruised the paper a little bit there, but pretty much okay, I would say. Alright, so at the end of this all week, I didn't use that sticker because I ended up not liking it very much. I used up a bunch of the stickers. I only have 2 functional boxes left here. Still plenty of checklists, a habit tracker, some of these like flags, these little icon shapes, these headers. It looks like some washi here, and then the thicker washi strips here are left in one little flag type sticker. So I used up most of the stickers in this kit, and I'm very happy that I did. So I got my money's worth out of it. The kits from Two Lil Bees are on the pricier side compared to some other shops, but she does offer really nice paper. You do have to be careful. I got a little too happy here quickly and it smudged a little bit. That was my fault, and you want to be careful if you're using her stickers. They're matte, but they are kind of that like buttery matte, so just be mindful of that. And then she does have the foil in this kit as well, so yeah, I'm really happy with how this week turned out. It's a little bit weird that I don't have any Simply Gilded washi in here, but I feel like the bows are plenty of enough bows for 1 week without also needing washi on top. I could have gone and put washi in here, and who knows, during the week I may get bored and put it in there before I'm done with this kit, but for now I feel like I'm happy with the way that it is. So at some point I'll go back whenever I talk to my husband and put his schedule in, but basically everything is here. I will probably go ahead and white out these little hexagons and this one up here whenever I do get white out again, but for the time being they're just going to stay as they are. And I think that's it. So if you have any questions about this kit or things that I did, I will leave most of the information that I feel like you guys would need in the description, but if you have questions, leave them in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. And with that, I will see you back next week for another plan with me. And if you have notifications turned on and you're subscribed to my channel, I will be publishing another video later on in the week, my monthly video, before the next plan with me. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, and you'll find out as soon as that video goes up. Alright, have a lovely week. I will see you all next time. Bye.